Hi everybody, I'm HondaPro Jason. I'm here to show you guys what HondaLink is and how your customers can use it. HondaLink's really simple to operate. The first thing you need to do though is you need to download the app. Now you can do this on your Android or your Apple device. After that, you need to open up an account, which is simple. You just need an email address and a phone number. So once you have the app downloaded and you open up a HondaLink account, now you're ready to have some fun. You open the app up here and then you have to add the vehicle. So you go to add vehicle, and then you have to add the VIN number. So you can either add it in manually or use the phone's camera, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna scan the VIN number right inside the door. I scan the VIN number, I make sure it's correct, it is. I press done, and now it's gonna add the vehicle to HondaLink. Now that you've paired your phone with your car, go into the car's infotainment system, find HondaLink, and press always enable. The last step is activation. Once you activate, you'll get all the information about how many miles are on the car, your miles to empty, how much fuel is in the vehicle. You can actually, from your phone, make a service appointment, and all those are free. If you go up one level from there, you get the security, which is where they can find your car ever, or you can find your car if you ever lost it, and you can wipe all the important information out of your navigation. From there, you go up to the remote, which is again going to give you remote capabilities, starting, locking, unlocking your car. And then the very top is going to be the concierge package. This is where you can make hotel reservations, order concert tickets, make room reservations, all from your phone. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what HondaLink does and how it works. And as always, guys, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.